Good morning children. Welcome to your maths class, chapter 14, Geometry. Today we will study about views of an object, different views, that is from the top, from the side and from the elevation. So let's start. Views of an object. If we look at an object from its top, it is called plan of the object. When any object is given to us, then if we look at on that object from its top, that is called its plan. If we look at an object from its front, from its front side, that is called as the elevation of the object. Front view is also known as elevation. If we look at an object from its side, either from left or from right, it is called the side view of that object. Now here you can see it's a cone shape is given, and when we will see that cone shape from any side, then we can see means that look just like a triangle. And when same cone we will look from its top, then the bottom is visible in the form of a circle. So that is the plan of a cone. Now let us look at the views of a victory stand. I hope you have seen victory stand in your prize distribution ceremonies. So this victory stand is there. Now we have to look at the different views, that is from its top, from its front and from its side view. So just we will start from its top. Now when we will look at this victory stand from its top, then these small three boxes are visible from the top of this victory stand. So this view is known as plan of this victory stand. Now when we will look at this victory stand from its front means from its elevation, then it looks like, here you can see two pink boxes are there and one blue box is there. That is the elevation of this victory stand. Elevation means front view. Next is, if we will look at this victory stand from its side, then this view is known as side view. So in this way we can find plan, elevation and side view of any object. Okay children, take care.